Imagine if your AI tools weren't, just floating around in a dozen random browser tabs,
Right, exactly.
but actually had their own lockdown dedicated operating system. Welcome back. As usual, we've got the AIagentstore.ai website pulled up today.
Yeah, looking at the page for CorvinOS.
Right, so our mission today is to figure out why an AI even needs an OS in the first place.
Well, CorvinOS is it's a really interesting approach to managing these tools. It was created by MB Skydes,
Okay.
and it's a self-hosted operating system running on this freemium model, fully open source too, under the Apache 2.0 license.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but instead of like running standard desktop apps, it's built specifically for AI organizations, to deploy agents and manage these really complex multi-step workflows.
So to really grasp why an OS for AI is necessary for you, the listener, we have to look at how we actually interact with these autonomous tools.
Okay.
Like, how much freedom are we actually handing over to them on a daily basis?
Right, so the interface itself acts as this central chat-based control surface.
Uh-huh.
From that hub, you connect your custom personas, your compute power, and your RAG.
Which, just to clarify, for everyone listening, that's retrieval augmented generation. Basically the mechanism that lets the AI securely read, your company's private documents for context.
Yes, spot on. And it even handles voice input and output by default.
Yeah.
It uses local whisper transcription for that,
Oh, nice.
with OpenAI as a fallback if needed. But honestly, the real story here is the autonomy. The system actually hits a 75% autonomy level.
Wait, 75%? How does it actually achieve that number, though? I mean, is it just guessing what to do next?
No, not guessing at all. It's scheduling.
Scheduling, okay.
Yeah, instead of sitting idle, like waiting for a human to type a prompt, it uses an internal engine to proactively run scheduled workflows.
Wow.
So it operates through standard messaging bridges like Telegram, WhatsApp, Signal, executing tasks across organizational channels with very little ongoing human supervision.
Okay, hang on. Here's where I really have to ask the skeptical
Yeah.
question. If an AI is running 75% autonomously, and it's, proactively messaging people on WhatsApp, how does a company keep it from going completely off the rails? Or, leaking sensitive data to the wrong person?
That exact concern is actually the reason for its core differentiator.
Right.
It has this hardcore EU compliance-oriented architecture.
Oh, okay. EU compliance?
Yeah, it enforces structural but disclosure, consent gating, egress lockdowns, and a SHA 256 hash-chained audit trail.
Whoa, okay, back up. You completely lost me at SHA 256, hash-chained audit trail, and egress lockdowns.
Fair enough.
I mean, I know what a standard audit trail is, but what makes this setup so robust that an actual compliance officer would trust it?
Let's break it down. So an egress lockdown acts like an impenetrable digital fence.
Okay.
It structurally prevents the AI from sending data outside a pre-approved network zone, period.
Got it. And the SHA 256 part.
Right, the audit trail. That ensures every single action the AI takes gets a unique cryptographic fingerprint.
Oh, wow.
And that fingerprint is permanently chained to the previous action. It is mathematically unalterable.
Oh, I see. So think about it. You could have an AI securely message a client to gather, say, highly sensitive medical data.
Okay.
And you'd have mathematical proof that the data never leaked to some random third-party server.
Yes, and that ties right into consent gating. The AI literally cannot share a transcript of a conversation with another system unless the end user explicitly grants permission.
That's huge.
Plus, the structural bot disclosure ensures users are, constantly reminded they're talking to a machine, removing any chance of deception.
So it's essentially like hiring a highly autonomous worker, but you're attaching a really strict corporate handbook to them from day one.
Pretty much.
Plus, you've got this immutable security camera recording every single move they make.
That's exactly why their target audience isn't software engineers.
Right.
CorvinOS is built specifically for compliance officers in highly regulated industries.
Like what? Financial services?
Finance, healthcare, legal, government. Basically, sectors where a single data slip-up is just catastrophic.
Man, it leaves you with a pretty wild thought to chew on.
Yeah.
If our AI tools have reached the point where they actually require their own compliant, heavily audited operating systems just to function safely in the wild,
Right.
are we officially crossing the line from simply using software to, managing digital employees?
We are definitely building the human resources infrastructure for artificial intelligence.
You can go explore the specs for yourself over at AIagentstore.ai. Thank you so much for rating the podcast, and we'll catch you next time.